Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can compress your file or you can extract your file. So you can see in my desktop this file is already compressed. We need to extract our file. So how can you extract your file? First I'm going to show you how you can extract your file. Then I'm going to compress your file. So for that we need to Windows software install in your PC. So after that, right click on it and click on extract to this one, or you can directly open your file. I'm going to select this one, extract to, and I can easily extract my file from here. Now I'm going to delete this one, and here select this one, add to OneDrive PDF element. So guys, you can see I can easily extract my file, and also I can make compressed file in my desktop. So guys, in this you can easily compress your file and folder in desktop. I hope you understand this video, learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.